Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people with hard at work with helpful information about the rules of Georgia workers' compensation and the benefits available to them under that law. Today, I want to talk to you about why you should call a workers' compensation attorney. Now, if you've been hurt at work and you're watching this video, the one thing that I would like to tell you is you should call a workers' compensation attorney as soon as possible. Talk to you about the 3 reasons why you should do that, and then I'm going to discuss each one of those reasons in a little bit more detail. Those reasons are that the insurance company does not have your best interest at heart. You probably don't know all the ins and outs of Georgia workers' compensation law, and talking to a workers' compensation attorney is confidential and free. So we'll go at each one of those reasons in a little bit more detail. We'll start with the insurance company and why they don't have your best interest at heart. It's nothing personal to you, but insurance companies are generally for-profit businesses. They're in business to make money. When you get hurt at work, you are costing the insurance company money. They're having to pay for your medical treatment. They're having to pay for benefits for you being out of work. They're having to pay an insurance adjuster to work on your case. All these things cost them money. And so that's less money that the insurance company makes. So the insurance company's interest is paying as little as possible out on any case, your case or any other case. So they're going to be trying to do things to pay as little medical treatment as possible, to pay as little benefits for being out of work as possible. And them taking that approach can result in you not receiving the medical treatment or other benefits that you should. Now, the second reason why you should call a workers' compensation attorney is because Georgia workers' compensation law is complicated. I created this series of videos because I wanted to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about that law, but it's difficult to explain all the ins and outs of that law unless you're an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation. I get called by somebody probably at least once a month who hasn't talked to an attorney soon enough. And because they haven't talked to an attorney soon enough, they've lost some right that they have, or maybe they've lost their right to pursue their case at all. There's statutes of limitations and other deadlines under Georgia workers' compensation law that can cause you to lose your rights if you don't act soon enough. So talking to an attorney can increase the chances that you don't mess up and miss those statutes of limitations. Now, the third reason that you want to call workers' compensation attorney is it's free and confidential. If you speak to a workers' compensation attorney, even if you don't hire that attorney, the attorney-client privilege applies. And that means what you discuss with the attorney is confidential. They're not going to tell someone else. So you can discuss your case freely without having to worry that the attorney is going to talk to someone else about your case. It's free. So that means it doesn't cost you anything other than your time. You can get your questions answered about your case and find out if there's maybe some trips, some things that could come up in your case that might hurt your case, if there's action that you need to take or things that you need to avoid in your case. And so talking to an attorney can help you to get those questions answered, and you don't even have to hire the attorney. You can, after speaking with the attorney, digest that information that you've gotten and then make a decision about whether it would be helpful to hire the attorney or not. But again, speaking to the attorney can help you avoid some of those pitfalls that could come up in your case in the future if you didn't talk to the attorney. Hope you found this information about why you should call a workers' compensation attorney helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, just visit our Perkins Studdard channel on YouTube. All the videos from the series are available there. And if you do want to speak to me for free about your case, I'm happy to do that. We can schedule a free consultation. There's 2 easy ways that you can get that consultation set up. The first is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, and clicking and submitting the free consultation request form there. And the second is by calling the phone number at the bottom of our screen, and one of the members of our workers' compensation team will be happy to speak with you and schedule a consultation with me. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.